Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. So today we'll be picking cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck, guys. So I'll be picking one card for your general energies, guys, one card for your work situation, and one card for your love energies, guys. So we'll open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Capricorn. So for your general energies, to the sea. Capricorn, with this card for your general energies, guys, your situation may be leading you into some activities, guys. It may come all of a sudden, out of nowhere and effortless. So you will automatically feel guided towards something. You will feel that you are flowing towards certain actions or towards certain decisions in your life. So this is the time for you to have the trust and allow the universe to guide you in the right direction, guys. So how we float on the river, so just like the way you just flow with the water wherever it takes you, so it may also relate to your work situation. So certain things, certain projects or certain collaborations may come towards you. So you will feel guidance regarding that, so you need to follow that, guys, whatever comes your way. And even in this relationship with this person, so when you have that love with mutual love and understanding, and your relationship is flowing in a particular way, and you both come to a clear understanding, mutual trust, when you do that, when you share that mutual journey with this person, and you can allow things to take shape just as it would naturally. So you need not decide anything based on your goals or desires. So you need to have that mutual trust and understanding and see where this relationship takes you, guys. So wait for those things to manifest. So sometimes it may go in a very fast way. You may have that great understanding and acceptance, love in this relationship, and it may flow towards marriage or engagement for some of you all. But for some of you all, it may lead you to isolation and separation. So whatever it takes you with, whatever the guidance is there, which is automatic, totally automatic. So we need to accept that, guys. This is the time for that. So things will be flowing effortlessly. Some natural pattern of events are waiting to be waiting to unfold in your life, Capricorn. That is what I see here, guys, with this card. So you need to stop resisting and fighting your situation, and you should learn to flow with the tide. So you need to relax when it is a time to relax, and you need to jump into action when it is a time for you to jump into action. You will know what to do at that particular time. So that is the energy with this card here, guys. So it may just mean that you may be intuitively guided towards something. So when that happens, you need to take it up, guys. So that is the energy in your work situation or in your relationship. And do not resist anything. If a relationship, if this person comes towards you, do not resist them based on your desires and expectations. And even in your work situation, something new coming your way, some projects or collaborations, whatever it is. So you should not resist it, you should not avoid it based on your past experience. You should go with the flow. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career. Here and now. The energy with this card, Capricorn, is we need to live one day at a time, guys. So you need not worry about your past failures in your work or your business, and you may not be anxious about the future, what may come. You should just handle anything today, what is there right in front of you. So you need to be present today and take notice what is happening right now, this very moment. When you do that, you will work with a greater potential, guys, and you will be able to manifest all that goals you want to do. So you need to be present in this current moment and cherish and do your actions with that great potential. So when you do that, when you put your efforts in such a way, when you have that total focus on what is there right in front of you today, so when you do that, you automatically unlock a great potential within yourself, guys. So you need to be present in your day-to-day activities, mentally present, that is what I mean. So past and future are illusions. So disconnecting yourself from all that past memories and future worries will help you in a great way, guys. So everything will go as it needed. So it is the time for you to stop worrying and be put in your whole potential in the way you do your work today, and you will see miracles happening in your life, guys. So that is the energy. So at that perfect time, things will start to manifest when you do your day-to-day activities with that great potential. So let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. A change in the wind. With this card, Capricorn, in your relationship, it is not on a firm ground. So you may feel that this relationship may change, something uncertain. Maybe you had some arguments, some misunderstandings. So that may be the reason for this uncertainty, guys. You are not in sync with this person. So that is what I see here with this card and the message. So sometimes in a relationship, there may be times when both of you all may not be in sync with each other. You may be having stormy emotions, some moods threatening your relationship. So at that time, you should see that as an opportunity for mutual growth in this relationship. You will understand your heart better, and you will understand that person better in this stormy times. So whatever is happening now, something good will come out of it, guys. So you need to take to those things that you are really comfortable with. So maybe you can take a break if it clears your head. Stay away from this person if it clears your head. And when you are clear, when you are back with clarity, you can get back to them with that freshness, and you will feel this relationship will change. You will have that clarity in you, guys. So when certain things are not in your control, when that circumstances or this person, when things are going in an unexpected way in your relationship, you have to just wait it out, guys, and everything will get back to normal, and things may even take a turn for much better things. So you need to have that trust. So that is the reading for you all, Capricorn. So you need to wait it out, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. Bye, Capricorn.